Oh, hey.
Oh, hey there. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yes, it is Thursday, Thanksgiving. We are on our way to Tybee Island, Georgia.
Going to the beach today.
You can see the Atlantic Ocean and lighthouse, sights and sounds stuff. And after that, go check out a 800-year-old tree.
Yep.
Maybe a cemetery. And then see where the day takes us. So, let's go.
Let's go.
Woo!
Season's greetings. We're at the beach. Yeah. It's so pretty out here. There's so many shells all along and they're just tiny little guys. Water's a little cold.
Wow. That was an awesome beach.
Oh, so nice.
This place is pretty awesome. Nobody's here, which is probably the best time to be.
Probably.
So, thank you.
Good.
Thank you, Thanksgiving. Not a bad way to spend Thanksgiving.
Not at all.
It's hot. It's hot.
I was smart. I wore a tank top.
That is it from Tybee Island.
It was so pretty.
Beautiful.
Such a beautiful day.
Loved the sand, the ocean, the dolphin sightings, and the food.
Just
Highly recommend it.
beautiful.
Yeah, Tybee Island.
awesome way to spend Thanksgiving.
Yeah. All right, on to the next.
This is probably one of the prettiest cemeteries I've ever seen. Like this even tops the Kentucky one. Oh, Bonaventure Cemetery. In just outside of Savannah. (1843 to 1909), I think. We found the first person buried here.
Peoples.
Peoples buried here at Bonaventure Cemetery. Would you say it was 1806? Charlotte was 1819. And then
Born
Claudia,
1812.
1806. 1789 to 1806. We're at the oldest oak tree, and it's somebody's property, so we can't go on it.
I'm going for it. Oh no. Tree is 800 years old. Huh. Well, that was exciting. Are you excited? That was exciting. That was exciting. That was exciting. We
800-year-old tree.
We just saw an 800-year-old tree. When was it first planted?
That's a lot of thinking. 800 years ago. Think that.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12.
1200.
1200. I don't think anybody was back here unless it was the indigenous.
Wow.
Cool.
Cool.
We are going around the silly circle of the Majestic Oaks Drive.
Oh, how would you like to live on a street called Majestic Oak?
I live on Majestic Oaks Drive here. We have the oldest tree in Georgia. Yes.
There it is.
There it is.
Private
Wow.
property.
Wow. Like the limbs are all on the ground.
Yeah.
It just looks like bushes,
It is.
but it's the tree.
Dun, dun, dun.
Bro.
Bro.
All right.
All right.
Well, at least there wasn't a billion people, and then some guy on the neighbor going, "Oh, don't look at my tree, get off my land. I own that damn tree."
That's my tree.
Even though I've only been here frickin' 50 years of its 800 years, blah, 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 blah. All right. Let's go somewhere else.
Bye.
I don't know where.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Savannah Day 4
Is in the books.
in the books.
Yeah, we had a great day. Tybee and
Bonaventure.
Bonaventure Cemetery and
Hanging out.
hanging out.
We were at McDonough's. for the last couple hours,
Yep.
watching the game,
We had
drinking some beers.
yeah, we had a nice dinner and dinners and walked down to the riverfront and all sorts of stuff.
Ooh, good restaurant recommendation if you're in Savannah. Go to Hitch.
Yeah.
Really good.
Hitch and McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Aye, and football. So.
All right. Well, we are off to South
Bed.
Carolina tomorrow. And bed. Well, bed first. It's been a long day.
Yep.
Oh,
So, all right.
all right. We'll see you on the next video.
Next video
Deuces.
is South Carolina. Sweet. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Nudity is prohibited, so.
Shit. Is the dolphins at? Should we call the dolphins?
Okay.
Where you at? Where you at, you dolphin? Come on, Mr. Dolphin. Let's go.
Let's go. Show yourself again.
Show yourself.
All right.
Well, at least there wasn't a billion people, and then some guy on the neighbor going, "Oh, don't look at my tree, get off my land. I own that damn tree."
That's my tree.
Even though I've only been here frickin' 50 years of its 800 years, blah, 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 blah. All right. Let's go somewhere else.
Bye.
I don't know where.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh.
You can operate everything that is currently being shown in the display by voice. To go back a step, simply say correction.
Bluetooth. Bluetooth.
You can operate everything that is currently being shown.
Not talking.
Ah! Fuck you, Audie. Fuck you.
Oh. You're funny.
The walkings of South Carolina.
This
Never
is
mind.
Georgia.
Oh yeah, we're in Georgia. Sorry.
Savannah.
Whew. Wow.
Bloops.
Somebody had 3 Coronas at McDougal's. Am I right? Am I right?
All right.
All right, all right, all right. Woo. Okay,
All right.
it's too dark here.
Time to
It's too
cross
dark. I'm
because we're
scared.
at
Goodbye.
Foreskin Park. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Forsyth Park.
Oi. You can't see me. Hello.
And just a voice in the dark.
I'm just a voice in the dark.
Yep.
Hello? Hello? Oh, you can barely see me. We're at Foreskin Park. Look at it. It's just like a big park.
It's a big square circle.
Me at home editing is like, cut it. It's way too fucking dark. And I'm like, no. No.
This is funny. Ooh, we're coming up on the 300-year-old tree.
Oh, does everybody want to see the 300-year-old tree? Let's go.
Wait, we already did this.
Did I already videotape this?
No, I don't think we videotaped it.
Well, if I did, check out the latest video. Make sure you like and subscribe. But if not, that's pretty freaking cool. All right. Bye.
Bye.